Welcome back to Take It 35. So here is the video on how to add reset any Redmi phone that we have forgotten the password, pin or pattern. The first thing we have to do in order to achieve this is to power off the phone. How to power off the Redmi phone is to press the power key and the volume up key together for a few seconds. Press the two keys at once, the volume up key and the power key together. Draw it up to power off. Give it few seconds for the phone to completely turns off. When the phone completely turns off, we are to return to the power key and the volume up key. Press the two keys together for few seconds. You are to release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key when you hear vibration or when the Redmi logo comes up on your screen. So let's go. Press volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. Then release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key when you hear vibration or you see the Redmi logo on your screen. So I've released the power key and continue to hold the volume up key because there was vibration and also there was Redmi logo on my screen. So use the volume down key to navigate to wipe data. So we are on wipe data. Use the power key to select wipe data. Use your volume down key to take you to wipe all data. So press the power key to select wipe all data. Use your volume down key to navigate to confirm. On confirm, press the power key to kickstart the resetting process. On your screen, you can see that the resetting process has just begun. Give it few seconds for the phone to completely turns off. When it does, you will see a successful note on your screen telling you that you have successfully resetted your Android phone, the Redmi phone in particular. So give it few seconds for the resetting process to get completed. So data wiped successfully. So on your screen you can see that back to main menu. So how to return to main menu is to press the power key. Power key takes us back to main menu. So use your volume down key and volume up key again to select reboot. On reboot, you have to press the power key to activate the reboot. Then on the final stage on the reboot to system, use your volume up key, then press the power key to take you to complete the resetting process. So during this time, the phone will load to complete the resetting process. While loading, it will load to your home page. When complete, you have to input your region, which is your country, the language, and other settings. After doing this, your phone will be back to its original state. Do well to subscribe to this channel, Take It 35, like and share this video. If you have any question, please use the comment section below. Check out this playlist for more interesting videos. Please wait while the phone boots to your home page. See you in our next updates.